In this video, I will show you how you can open the SIM card slot on the Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now doing that is very simple. First of all, just grab the SIM card ejection tool, which comes with your smartphone in the box, or you can use any other SIM card ejection tool. After that, just grab your Samsung phone and look at the bottom of your phone. Now over here you will find the SIM card tray hole. Now be careful because over here you will find the primary microphone of your Samsung phone. Now the SIM card tray hole is located on the SIM card tray cutout on the frame of your phone. Now just insert the SIM card ejection tool in the SIM card tray hole and press it gently. Now as you see the SIM card tray pop out from the frame of your phone, now just use your fingers and extract the tray from the frame. Now as you can see over here you can place your first SIM card. Now on the other side you can place your second SIM card, and you do not have the option to insert a micro SD card. Now to insert your SIM cards, just grab your SIM card and insert it into the SIM card tray. Just ensure you place the SIM card into the tray with the golden side up. Now just do the same on the other side if you want to use two SIM cards on your phone. Now once you have placed both of the SIM cards into the SIM card tray, now you can insert the SIM card tray back into your phone. Just press the SIM card tray gently and ensure that it is flush with the frame. Now after you do that, your phone will detect the SIM card, and over here you can just tap on next and you can set up the SIM card settings. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.